How to schedule auto shutdown on your Android smartphone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can schedule auto power on and auto power off in your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the settings in your Android device, and on the search bar simply type in schedule. And as soon as you type in there, you will get an option as scheduled power on or off. So tap on that. Here you will get two options as to power on or to power off. Now turn on the toggle that says power on. Now you have to set the time and then tap on OK. Again you have to set the day as well. So simply tap on the option that says repeat. So if you like to repeat this all the day, then simply tap on all these days or select the one that you like. And after that, tap on OK. Now same goes with the power off as well. Simply turn on the toggle in power off and then again set the timer and the day. And after you do that, you have successfully scheduled auto power on or off in your Android device. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.